Water is the most common substance on Earth. What new can we learn about it? Get ready to find out 10 facts about water you didn't know before. Only 1% of water on the Earth is drinkable. Water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. However, 97% of these reserves are salt water and just 3 are fresh. Unfortunately, most of this 3% is inaccessible to us because main reserves of fresh water are located in glaciers and underground sources. A person drinks 35 tons of water in a whole life. Water is necessary for survival. Anyone can live without food for about 30 or 40 days, and without water only a few days. Food without water has no energy value for a human body because water supports processes of metabolism and food digestion. Water can remain liquid at minus 42 degrees. Very pure water without impurities can be cooled down to this temperature remaining liquid, and then it turns into intermediate ice, a substance that is neither ice nor actually water. That's happening because ice begins to form around particles of impurities contained in water. This effect is called water supercooling. Human body evaporates up to 10 gallons of water per day. Water contained in a human body constantly evaporates during breathing and also comes out through skin pores. Usually your body evaporates about 4 gallons of water per day. If we are actively moving and it's hot outside, the loss of water can reach up to 8 or 10 gallons. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Which water will turn into ice faster, hot or cold? Logically, if you think about it, then of course cold. After all, you need to cool down hot first and then freeze. However, experiments show that hot water turns into ice faster. The exact answer to the question why doesn't exist. Perhaps it's because of the difference in cooling, evaporating, ice formation, convection, or because of the effect of liquefied gases on hot and cold water. The age of water on Earth is more than the age of the Sun. Wow, that sounds absolutely incredible. Modern research has shown that about half of all water on Earth came from ice particles floating in the interstellar space. The age of this water is more than 4.5 billion years. For 1 billion people, clean, safe water is unavailable. Almost 20% of the world's population lives in area with a serious shortage of clean drinking water. In addition, 1/4 of people live in developing countries experiencing water scarcity because of the poor infrastructure needed to get water from rivers. In the last 50 years, there have been more than 500 conflicts around the world because of water access. 21 of them ended with military actions. For example, there have been many conflicts between Pakistan and India over the use of Indus River water. In Africa, armed conflict over water supplies are not uncommon. Botswana, Angola, and Namibia cannot share the Okavango River delta. The cost of water differs a lot in different countries. The cost of a cubic meter in the United States is about 55 cents. Russian water bills are significantly lower than European ones. The cost of 1 cubic meter in Russia is about 30 rubles, which is equal to 40 cents. In Barcelona, the price is €1, in Paris from 3 to 5 euros, in Berlin €3.50, and in Brussels €4 for 1 cubic meter. there exists water that burns. For example, in Azerbaijan, there is water with a lot of methane, and it's gonna catch fire if you bring a match to it. And in Sicily, in one of the lakes, there is an underground source of acid that poisons all the water in this lake. Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more interesting facts.